to Sevat recipe. Today I am going to do interesting one, chicken biryani in rice cooker. Let's get started. Now I am going to make for chicken biryani some paste. I cut the tomato to small pieces, 6 small onions, 2 pieces of small chili. It's up to you if you want to use or not. Little bit of mint leaf and coriander leaf. Cashewnut is around 7 pieces. I like to add done pandan leaf and lemongrass. I'm adding some water to smooth the grinding. Now the paste is ready. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken by putting in the paste. Add in 2.5 spoons of ginger garlic, biryani powder you can get in the shop, half a lemon juice, 3 spoons of chili powder. Because I like chili, I like to put more. You can put 1 spoon, 2 spoons according to your taste. And I'm adding yogurt to soften the meat, and salt according to the taste. Now I'm going to leave it for half an hour. Now I'm going to cook the chicken. I'm adding in coconut oil, ghee, 5 tablespoons, anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf. Saute this for a while. And adding lemongrass, 4 onions which I chopped before, and saute it to be brown. I add in balanced onions and saute it until it's turned brown. Now you can add in some salt. Now I am adding cashewnut and raisins so that they will not burn. So I like to put later. I'm adding another half piece of tomato and saute again. Now it's ready to add in the marinated chicken. Fry them for a while in the oil. Add in water for the chicken to cook well. I soak this rice half an hour and then I drain the water and leave it for another 20 minutes. Now I'm going to put in all the chicken into rice cooker. And I add in mint leaf, half cup, and coriander leaf, half cup. So I put in 3 cups of rice. So I'm going to add in 3 cups of butter. You need to wait for the rice to cook. So the minute is 15 minutes to 17 minutes. Now it's already cooked. I'm going to serve the biryani. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.